God damn it. Get fuck out of here. Xbox 360. Oh, I see. Come on, you piece of shit. Oh.
Fuck.
I did it.
One, two, three. Fuck. Rock, paper, scissors. Fuck. Fuck. Fucker. Fucker. Fucking stop. Fucking Jesus. There we go. Fuck.
I'd say best 2 out of 3, but that's not worth it.
That was already fucking 10 times. I don't fucking care about leaderboards.
Yes.
Party hard.
Hey gamers. Is that Comic Sans?
Yeah.
That's fucking Comic Sans.
Yep.
Holy shit.
Welcome to my bedroom. Don't think that me letting you in here is an invitation for any funny stuff. I mean, not that I have a problem with funny stuff.
You ever hear the one about the sidewalk? It's all around town!
Today is, as they say in Spain, my cumpleaños. That's right, my birthday. I'm 18 today.
She's legal. She's legal. It's okay, guys. She's legal.
My girls on the
Yeah.
Seriously? Dude. The hell?
Why does she have a chainsaw already if she didn't know there were zombies?
Yeah.
Because I'm not already late enough. Gross. Stupid. Undead douchebags.
Oh wait, hold on. Damn it. Damn it. Fuck. Ah! Why doesn't she let me see? I just want to see the pretty lady.
I just want a panty shot. Just one.
Just one little panty shot, please. What if it's a zombie flying the helicopter?
You know what? That'd be interesting. Not as interesting as World War Z, though.
No. Get out of here with that shit.
No, it's a good movie.
No.
I'm telling you. Brad Pitt, he's got a real future, that guy. He's gonna be in tons of more movies.
I don't even fucking know what he's been in recently.
Like, for instance...
Mario Kart. What does that mean? Are the eggs?
Her eggs.
The eggs in my vagina?
I think so. I think that's what he was referring to.
Not the eggs in my vagina. There we go. Now he's dead. Oh, how did he fall all the way over there?
My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
What?
Where's the bee? Hold on, it's 2 days. I'll meet you in the square.
Excuse me? Alright, buddy, I'll be sure to tell her.
That was...
He crashed over by the school and is probably dead.
Yeah, probably. What?
Just
What?
a second.
Excuse me?
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Excuse me?
That's a very calm zombie apocalypse phone call.
Maybe
Thanks,
her mom
Mom.
doesn't know.
Excuse me?
You kicking its ass? Oh. Oh, I thought it was gonna drop the fucking thing on its head. Wait,
Did I?
you died at the same time you killed it. Nuclear testes in his pants. I'm doing
Is this
amazing.
what it's like to be a girl in America?
Yes. This is the current state of America right now. You see this shit?
The current state of America.
This is the
right
current
now.
state of our country.
After that stock market decline. Oh boy.
Oh man.
Zombies on the
Thanks, Harvey.
streets.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
Oh shit, a math test. I'm late. Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
No, excuse you.
Excuse me. You know, you really gotta hand it to these guys. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Because they're really good at math. That's why you gotta hand it to them. I'm gonna save you with my chainsaw that I bought from Walmart for $20.
Oh my gosh, that's a quality chainsaw for $20 at Walmart.
Look at this chainsaw. Isn't it beautiful?
How much you say you pay for it again?
$20.
Only $20.
Only $20.
Or 4 low payments of $4.99.99.
That's if you want it shipped to your house.
And then the shipping and handling
Plus
will
shipping
be
and
$35.
Of course. So you want to pick it up at Walmart. There's limited quantity though. There's one.